Recently, researchers from Northwestern University reported the discovery of a zinc spark in human oocytes. This phenomenon, known to occur in other mammalian species, is the result of sudden releases of zinc after egg fertilization. But it can only do that by releasing all of its zinc ions in a series of strong bursts. Scientists call these sparks. Zinc sparks have been observed in a bunch of other mammals, but until this study, we weren't sure whether it occurred in humans. To determine whether we do it too, scientists bathed human oocytes in a petri dish of fluorescent dye that can only emit light when zinc is present. At the beginning of the experiment, all the zinc was inside the cell, so they saw no signal. But then they injected an RNA construct into the oocytes to emulate fertilization, and it worked. They observed a burst of light from around some eggs, indicating their zinc had been released.
And you'll see these now work in unison. And what Allison first saw was that the calcium went up and down on a very rapid motion. Molecules are moving extremely rapidly through the diffusion process inside a cell. So we call this the zinc spark, okay? So that in fact there was a coordinated release. We call it exocytosis, a dumping of zinc inside. What you'll see in the yellow comes in, that's an overlap of the red and the green. Then you see the red spark moving away from the cell.
This is the flash of light that sparks when a human sperm meets an egg. It was captured by scientists for the first time just a few years ago. It had been seen in animal cells before, but never in humans. And it's not just a quick flash. The fireworks go on for hours. It's quite the celebration.
Video is under a special microscope. It's an egg and showing the moment of conception. The moment the sperm enters the egg, there is now documented source of light that enters the egg. The moment of conception.
Scientists have captured the bright flash of light that marks the moment of conception when the sperm meets the egg. It seems that it all begins as an explosion of tiny zinc sparks that erupt from the egg at the exact moment of conception, and it's never before been captured. It's seen now in a bright flash of light that scientists have managed to capture for the first time ever, and it comes across as fireworks seen on film. Well, they have seen this phenomenon occur in other animals before, but this is the first time they've ever managed to capture it.
This footage shows the exact moment a sperm makes contact with an egg. You can see what looks like a spark of electricity that erupts on a cellular level. But what is it? And why does it happen? Could it be the start of consciousness? Or is it just a mere biological process that happens whenever fertilization occurs? When a sperm makes contact with an egg, a flash of light is produced indicating that the egg has been successfully fertilized and can now develop into a healthy embryo. The spark itself occurs when the fertilized egg releases billions of atoms of zinc. These atoms are released at the exact moment of conception. Some eggs produce brighter sparks than others, depending on their ability to develop into a healthy embryo. This natural process controls the development of a healthy embryo. The more zinc is released, the brighter the flash that's produced by an egg. Brighter flashes indicate a healthier embryo. This phenomenon was first observed in 2011 and was recorded for the first time in 2014. Besides human embryos, it has been observed in fish, mice, and frogs. In frog embryos, it occurs during the formation of the head and other facial features. Because this process has been observed across several animal species, it seems that it's a standard developmental function that occurs in all vertebrates. It's truly astonishing to witness this process that was the start of literally every one of us.